We need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. Now here we have sine of pi over 18 multiplied to sine of 5 pi over 18 times sine of angle 7 pi over 18. What we will do, we'll convert each of the sine function to its corresponding cosine function. For this, we're going to use a fact. That means if we have sine of some angle theta, then it can be converted to its cosine function. Equivalent cosine function as cosine of pi over 2 minus theta. Now let's do that. So here we have sine of pi over 18, so that's theta. So if we use this particular formula, then we should get cosine of pi over 2 minus theta, so theta will be pi over 18. Similarly, we can convert this sine function, sine of 5 pi over 18, to its cosine equivalent as cosine of pi over 2 minus 5 pi over 18 times cosine of, so we're converting sine 7 pi over 18 to its cosine equivalent, so we're cosine of pi over 2 minus 7 pi over 18. So now that we've converted each of the sine function to its equivalent cosine function, let's further simplify. So let's try to find out pi over 2 minus pi over 18. So that's going to give us 8 pi over 18 multiplied to cosine of, so here we will have 4 pi over 18 multiplied to cosine of 2 pi over 18, which simply put can be also expressed as cosine of 4 pi over 9 times cosine of 2 pi over 9 times cosine of pi over 9. Let's rewrite the expression. So we'll have cosine of pi over 9 multiplied to cosine of 2 pi over 9 times cosine of 4, but we're going to rewrite it as 2 squared times pi over 9. The reason why we are writing in this particular fashion, because there is a standard formula to calculate cosine of a times cosine of 2a times cosine of angle 2 squared a all the way up to cosine of 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 times a. So this is given by sine of 2 raised to the power of n of angle a divided by 2 raised to the power of n times sine of angle a. Fine. So here in our case, let us suppose that we consider a to be equals to pi over 9. So this implies then our expression is now going to become cosine of angle a times cosine of angle 2a times cosine of angle 2 squared a. So we can apply this formula. So here the value of n will be equals to 3. That's because we have 3 cosine functions multiplied to each other. Now that means our expression should give us sine of 2 raised to the power of n times a. So a will be pi over 9 divided by 2 raised to the power of n times sine of pi over 9. Okay, so we're almost done. So let's further simplify this. So this is going to give us sine of 2 raised to the power of 3. So that's 8. So we have 8 pi over 9 divided by 8 times sine pi over 9. However, we can simplify sine 8 pi over 9. We know for a fact that sine 8 pi over 9 can be also expressed as sine of pi minus pi over 9. So this will be equals to sine pi over 9, because we know for a fact that if we have sine of angle pi minus theta, that corresponds to positive sine theta. So in our case, theta is pi over 9, which means that the numerator and the denominator are exactly the same thing, but this amounts to 1 over 8. That means the value of sine pi over 18 times sine 5 pi over 18 times sine 7 pi over 18, so this will be equals to 1 over 8.